If Lucidchart is showing a save error, failed download message, or your diagram just won't sync properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix so you can protect your work, troubleshoot the problem, and get back to editing without losing progress. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, the most important thing is to secure your current work. Do not close the tab. If Lucidchart is acting up, you want to preserve everything you've already built. Open a new tab and create a fresh blank document in Lucidchart. Then go back to the document that's giving you trouble. Select everything in the diagram, copy it, and then paste it into the new blank document. On Windows, that's Ctrl+A, then Ctrl+C. On Mac, use Command+A, then Command+C. After that, paste your elements into the new file and wait for the save status at the top of the editor. You want to see the save notification so you know the document is syncing correctly to the cloud. If the new document saves properly, that's already a strong sign the issue is tied to the original file rather than your entire account. Next, take a look at the document title. Sometimes special characters, symbols, or unusual formatting can interfere with saving or exporting. Rename the file using simple letters and numbers only. Keep it clean, short, and easy for the system to process. Another thing to check is whether infinite canvas is turned on. If your Lucidchart board stretches endlessly, it can slow things down and make export or saving more difficult. Go into the document settings and turn off infinite canvas if it's enabled. Then try saving or exporting again. This small change can make a big difference, especially on large diagrams. Now let's rule out browser problems. Open Lucidchart in a private window or use Incognito mode in Google Chrome. This helps remove interference from browser extensions, cached files, or old session data that may be causing the error. Once you're in Incognito, log into your Lucid account again and test the document. If it works there, the problem is likely coming from your regular browser setup. You should also check whether a VPN is running. In some cases, VPN connections can interrupt communication with Lucid Software's servers and cause save or download failures. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off temporarily and try again. If the issue still continues, do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl+F5. On Mac, use Command+Shift+R. This forces the browser to reload the page and clear out temporary cache issues. If that still doesn't fix it, manually clear your browser cookies and try reloading Lucidchart once more. If you are getting a failed download error when exporting your diagram, try exporting in a different file format. Click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, select Export, and then choose another file type. For example, if PDF is failing, try PNG or JPEG instead. Sometimes the issue is not the document itself, but the export format you selected. By following these steps in order, you can usually fix Lucidchart save errors, download problems, and cloud sync issues without starting over from scratch. The key is to first protect your work, then isolate the cause, and finally test different browser and export settings until the document saves correctly. If this video solved your Lucidchart issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.